Hi everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be doing this dragonfly mould. It's just the one I got off Temu. I'm going to be testing the dual toned colouring. So I'm going to be putting some clear resin into the base of the mould once it's reached temperature, and then I'm going to mix some chameleon powders in, if possible, or possibly if a chameleon powder will mix into there, because I don't have any of the tiny turner, or I will use some of my floating mica powder. And then once that's cured and started to dry and it's tacky, I'm actually going to use my opal flakes on the back and then back that in black, and that should give it the two-tone effect. If I miss, it's very hard to catch this resin when it's sticky, so if I don't catch it when it's sticky, I can always do a coat of UV resin anyway. So I just thought I'd come on and let you know what I was doing before I go back off again and wait for this to come to temperature. I want this around 35 degrees, which would be perfect, so I will check back with you once this is done. Bye. Right, so my resin is now up to temperature, so I'm going to be using a combination of the Starry Sky colorant from Into Resin and my floating glittering mica powder. So I'm going to pour a bit of resin in there. And I'm going to add and then I'm going to add 6 drops of the, 4 drops of the Starry Sky colouring. Make sure you give this a good shake, because if you can see there, the white bit on there, that's the colouring that isn't mixed with the alcohol. If you was to put drops in, you'd just be dropping the alcohol, and that's what you don't want. You want it all mixed. One, two, three, four. So I will be using the blue and green chameleon flakes, because if I use purple it's not going to show much of a two-tone due to, it might not work. I've never done this before, so I just thought I'd have a go. So what I want to do is spritz my mould with some isopropyl alcohol, just to break the surface tension and help to prevent bubbles from sticking. The reason why I wanted to get my resin up to temperature is because when resin is at a certain temperature, if you mix another colour in with it, it doesn't merge together. So the colour will stay separate from the clear, to a degree. I got that information from Wendy at Toonpish, so both didn't merge together, so I'm hoping mine doesn't. I have got some pesky bubbles there. And tissues. Apologies for the dogs. I can't close my window, and I won't close my window because I'm doing resin. So Wendy did the starfish from Into Resin. I have got the starfish, but I didn't want a copy, so I thought I'd do this one. And all she did was just pour. She had Aurora powders, so it might actually work with this one actually. And she just poured it down into the mould. I don't want to fill it up entirely because obviously I want to do a backing cut. Right, so I'm hoping them colours don't merge together and it leaves some gaps, that way when I brush on my chameleon flakes, they'll be two-tone colour. So I'm going to leave that to degas, and then I'll put it on my heat mat. I'll do about 20 to 30 minutes on my heat mat. I will be babysitting anyway to check it, and then I'll be back to do the next part of the video. So I shall check back with you shortly. Bye. Right, so I'm back and I've just caught this in time, so I'm going to brush on some chameleon powder. It's not cured enough to put the flakes on, as it needs a good rubbing, so I'm just going to use this. So I'm going to put you on pause, I'm going to mix up some resin, I'll be back. Right, so I've mixed up 6 pumps of resin. I'm going to be using the Jet Black epoxy pigment paste from Just Your Online UK. This is the one. Everything used in today's video, such as the Apex High Gloss 1-to-1 resin, the mould, the chameleon powders and the pigment paste, will be put in the description box for you, along with any discount codes that I may have. I'm having to rush because I need to go and pick my kids up in 10 minutes. Right, so that's now mixed up, so we're just going to pour this in there. Right, so that should be fine. Top it up as much as I can. I'm gonna let this degas. I'll put it on the heat mat, and then I'll be back to demold it. So I shall check back with you later for demold. Bye. Right, I'm back and this is now cured. I'm not very hopeful, but it was worth a try. It'll get uploaded either way, so let's get it demolded. And hopefully I can get this demolded before these dogs start barking. Wish me luck. the I can't remember what they're called, antennas, yeah, are a little bit soft. Right, so the moulds come out clean. Right, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh wow, and you see the two-tone? It's worked. I think it's stunning. That's beautiful. Cheers, Wendy. I actually love that, how you did it. And cheers, Daniel. I'll link Wendy's and Daniel's channels in the description box along with everything from the video. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comments what you think. Can you see the two-tone? So go that way, it's purple, and that way we've got blue. Very effective. I love the head as well. Very pretty. Right, guys, I'm going to leave that with you. Please like, comment and subscribe if you've not already done so. That would help my channel out so much. And I shall see you on tomorrow's upload. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.